Hey, what's up guys, it's Roark. Hey, listen, I wanted to give you guys a really quick tutorial for what you're going to be doing this afternoon with the sub today. 6th grade is already taking an assessment with me. 7th grade, you guys will be taking an assessment today, which you already know. But 8th grade, this is mostly for you. What we're going to do today is simply this. We started yesterday in a new unit working on how to find the lateral and total surface area of rectangular prisms. Now, we haven't gotten into triangular prisms or cylinders yet. We'll get to that, but what I wanted to do was take today and kind of spend some time focusing in on rectangular prisms. Now, like I said yesterday, one of the most difficult things about working with rectangular prisms, especially whenever it comes to working in like three-dimensional objects and stuff, is simply this. When you have a shape like this that I'm holding, that you can physically hold and touch, it's easy to see where the front is, the back, the right side, the left side, the top, and the bottom. It's when it's on a shape like this that you have a little bit more difficulty, because a lot of students have a hard time determining what actually is the front and what is the back and the right side and the left side and then the top and the bottom. Okay? So what I'm going to do today is this. I'm going to walk you guys through how to find the lateral and total surface area of this shape, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to get a paper in just a few minutes that's going to have 5 questions on it. And on each question it has lateral surface area and total surface area that you're going to find. I'm going to explain to you how to do it here, so hopefully you guys can apply this information, all right, to the questions you have on this paper that I'm going to hand you in a few minutes, okay? Now, one last thing is this. The points that you earn on this activity today, when we do the assessment, okay, we're going to cover rectangular prisms, triangular prisms, and cylinders, okay? And so when we do this activity, or I'm sorry, when we do the assessment, you're going to cover all 3 of them. And generally what happens is a lot of students get really good at rectangular prisms and triangular prisms, and they tend to struggle on the cylinders. The activity you're doing today, we're earning points that will go towards that assessment grade if you happen to not get a whole lot of points on the cylinder section, okay? I'll be able to add those points and kind of give your grade a little bit of a boost, so whenever you guys get your final grade on that assessment, you won't have to freak out because you're like, I didn't know the cylinders, okay? So, on to rectangular prisms. Here's how you find lateral and total surface area for this. Lateral surface area on the activity, I'm going to go ahead and label it as LSA on the actual paper you're going to get in a minute. When you're finding lateral surface area of a rectangular prism, you're only finding the 4 sides. You're not worried about the top or the bottom, okay? So the best way to do this is to just label it. Front, back, right side, left side, okay? When you look at this shape here, when you're looking at the front part, you can see that the front is made up of a base of 3 and a height of 8. So to find the front, you're going to multiply 3 times 8. It's easy multiplication, 24. The back side is the same. That's the nice thing about rectangular prisms. The front side and the back side are identical, just like the right side and the left side, okay? So on the back side, you're also going to do 3 times 8, which again is 24. Then the right side is right here. Right is 4, the base is 4, and the height is 8. Okay? So when you multiply 4 times 8, you're going to get an answer of 32, and that's going to be the same thing for the left side as well. Okay? 4 times 8 is 32. When you get all 4 of these sides, front, back, right side, left side, you're going to add them up. 24 plus 24 plus 32 plus 32 gives you an answer of 112. And that is your lateral surface area. Now, here's what you're going to do. Take that 112 that you just got for this lateral surface area, and you're going to put it up here on top. Now we're going to find total surface area, which I label as TSA. Take the 112, all right, and you're going to do the area for the top and the area for the bottom. So on this one here, the base is a 3 and a 4. So you're multiplying 3 times 4, which equals 12. And then you're doing 3 times 4 again for the top part. You take that 112 that you had initially over here from your lateral surface area, and you're going to do 112 plus 12 plus 12 to get your total surface area, which in this case is going to be 136. Okay? Do the best you guys can on this, and a lot of students in my first, second, and third period class, what they've done is they've just taken the information up here and they've reapplied it to the page that you're going to be getting here in a few minutes from the sub, okay? 7th period, I know this is, like I said, this is mostly for you guys. Y'all have a great day, okay? And you guys know what I mean. We talked yesterday a little bit before we left, okay? If the sub needs you to do something, please do it. If not, she will leave me a note letting me know how things went, okay? Once you guys are done, just kind of sit and relax, and you know, we'll collect these papers and we'll get them back to you guys when we do the actual assessment. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, okay? We'll see you.